backbone of our economy. Yet, millions of smallholder farmers suffer massive yield losses annually due to crop diseases. When a disease strikes, farmers face three critical constraints. They need advice in their local language, they are bound by strict financial budgets for treatments, and they struggle to navigate the bureaucracy required to get physical support from local centers like Krishi Vigyan Kendras (KVK). Existing AI tools give generic, expensive advice in English, completely ignoring the farmer's reality. Agriscope changes that by putting an empathetic, localized AI crop doctor directly in their pockets. And agriculture, let's look under the hood at our architecture. The system takes text symptom descriptions, localized geographical coordinates, and image files of infected crops. The AI capabilities used, we leverage Gemini's multimodal capabilities for visual disease classification combined with natural language processing and retrieval logic to drive a guided conversational intake. The processing is to ensure stability, prevent API timeouts, and avoid JSON errors. We engineered a deterministic state machine within the LLM's in system instructions. It logs the conversation into the user's regional language and systematically extracts key metadata step by step: location, current seasonal month, and the farmer's budget. The outputs is the final payload delivers a structured analysis, the disease diagnosis, the underlying biological cause, remedies filtered to match the farmer's budget constraints, and a localized physical checklist. Now, the user selects a regional language first. Let me select English. User provides location context and budget limit. So, like I'm providing district, state, west, country, India. Here, my temperature range, estimated rainfall, humidity range, and soil pH are provided according to the location. Now, we can describe symptoms in detail, or we can upload photos of our crops. Here, we have to select our month, and now we have to put our budget. Let's say it's 500 rupees. Here comes the causes of the disease, tailored remedies according to our budget given, and preventive precautions. What happens is that we can say that a major risk in digital agriculture is AI hallucination, leading to incorrect chemical usage. We mitigated this by setting strict boundary instructions within Google AI Studio, preventing the model from inventing unverified chemical mixtures. Human in the loop design, we can say that Agriscope never makes autonomous, high stakes decisions. It does not auto order chemicals or replace certified agronomists. Instead, the final output provides a structured, actionable checklist of required land and identified documents directly guiding the farmer to a physical consultation at the nearest local public administration office or KVK center. The human expert always remains the final authority. That is, here our KVK resources appear. Yes, KVK resources, their address, phone number, where is it is located, everything is given, and what documents are required, like It helps the farmers to know from beforehand what the documents he or she needs to carry uh, for the desired function she needs to work out. That is, in conclusion, we can say that Agriscope delivers true impact by reducing friction and dramatically improving access to agricultural services. By combining multimodal Gemini models with strict state driven logic, we have created a tool that respects a farmer's language, location, and wallet. Moving forward, we plan to integrate live IoT centers and offline capable models to reach the most remote fields. Thank you for your time, and we looked forward to our questions.